Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. In the previous video, we have learned about 6 trigonometric ratios and solve few problems. So now in this video, we are going to know about trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. So we all are known about trigonometric ratios and now we are going to learn their values at some specific angles. So let's start the chapter. So we are going to start with the values of trigonometry at different angles. We are mainly going to focus on some angles, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So first we learn all the values of sine theta by a simple trick and then we will get all the values of remaining ratios with the help of the values of sine theta. So let's learn the trick of finding the values of sine theta. See, here is sine theta angle 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide throughout the values by 4. Take under root of all these. Now 0 by 4 is 0. 1 upon 4 is 1 under root 2. 1 by 2. 2 by 4. 1, 2 cancel out. Which comes out to 1 under root 2. 3 under root 3 by 4 is under 3 by 2. 4 cancel 1. Under root 1 is 1. This is the value of sine theta at 0 is 0. At 30 is 1 by 2. At 45 is 1 under root 2. At 60 under root 3 by 2. 90 1. At 90 is 1. So now come back to the table. As we have found the value of sine theta at 0 is 0. At 30 is 1 upon 2. At 45 is 1 under root 2. At 60 is 1 under root 3 upon 2. And at 90 is 1. Next one is cos theta. Cos theta is just reversible of sine theta. See, sine theta at 0 is 0. 30 at 1 upon 2. 45 at 1 up under root 2. 60 under root 3 upon 2. And 90 is 1. So, cos 0 is 1. Cos 30 is under root 3 upon 2. Cos 45 is 1 upon under root 2. Cos 60 is 1 upon 2. Cos 90 is 0. You can also check these values are just reversible of sine theta. And the values of tan theta comes out by these values, sine theta and cos theta. So firstly we learn the identity of tan theta. Tan theta is equals to sine theta upon cos theta. Alright, this is the identity of tan theta. Now we learn some more identity. Cosec theta is equals to 1 upon sine theta, which is just reciprocal of sine theta. Sec theta, which is just reciprocal of cos theta. Cot theta, which is a reciprocal of tan theta. So with the help of these identities, we find the remaining ratios values. So tan theta is sine theta upon cos theta, which comes out to 0 upon 1 is 0. 1 upon 2 under root divide under root 3 upon 2. 2 cancel, which comes out to be 1 upon under root 3. 1 upon under root 2 divide by 1 upon under root 2, which is cancel out and gives it 1. under root 3 upon 2 is divisible by 1 upon 2. 2 again cancel and comes out to be under root 3. 1 upon 0 is not defined, which means at infinity. Alright. Now cosec, we know it is just reciprocal of sine theta. Alright. 1 upon 0 is again not defined. 1 upon 1 by 2 is 2. 1 upon 1 by under root 2 is under root 2. 1 upon under root 3 upon 2 is 2 under root 3. And 1 upon 1 is 1. Sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta. 1, 2 under root 3, under root 2, 2, not defined. Cot theta, reciprocal of tan theta, not defined. Under root 3, 1, 1 upon under root 3 and 0. So as we have seen that we find all the values of trigonometric ratio by a simple trick, and we also need to learn all this table because we are directly going to use this table. So the first one is evaluate each of the following into simplest form. First one is sin 60 cos 30 plus cos 60 sin 30. We know all these values. First, sin 60 is under root 3 upon 2 multiply cos 30 is again under root 3 upon 2 plus cos 60 is 1 upon 2 multiply sin 30 is 1 upon 2. Under root 3 multiply under root 3 is 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. Now 3 plus 1 upon 4 is 4 upon 4 comes out to be 1. Now see the second one, cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30. Now cos 60 is 1 upon 2 multiply cos 30 is under root 3 upon 2 plus minus sin 60 is under root 3 upon 2 multiply sin 30 is 1 upon 2. Under root 3 upon 4 minus under root 3 upon 4, which comes out to be 0. So this is how we solve these type of problems. Now the second one is 2 sin square 30 tan 60 minus 3 cos square 60 sec square 30. We know the values of these angles also. So let's solve. 2 sin square 30, which means firstly you know the value of sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 upon 2 and whole square. Tan 60 is under root 3 minus thrice of cos square 60. Cos square 60 is 1 upon 2 and whole square. Sec square 30. Sec square 30, which means sec 30 is 2 under root 3 whole square. Now solve these. 1 upon 4 under root 3, 3, 1 upon 4, 4 upon 3, 2, 4, 4 cancel, under root 3 upon 2 minus, this one also cancel out. No, this is 1, which comes out to be under root 3 minus 2 upon 2. Now see the third one. Sin 2x is equals to sin 60 degree cos 30 degree minus cos 60 degree sin 30 degree. So we put the values which we know. Leave sin 2x as 2 sin 2x and put the value of sin 60, comes out to be under root 3 upon 2 cos 30 Again under root 3 upon 2 minus cos 60 1 upon 2 multiply sin 30 is 1 upon 2. Now solve this. 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. Here sin 2x. Now 4, 3 minus 1 is 2 upon 4, which comes out to be 1 upon 2. Alright. Then sin 2x is equals to sin 30. 1 upon 2 comes in the value of sin 30. Now sin to sin cancel. 2x is equals to 30 degree, as x is equals to 30 divided 2, which comes out to be 15. The value of x is 15. Now see the fourth one, where we have to find the acute angle theta, and the expression is cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta plus sin theta equals to 1 minus under root 3 upon 1 plus under root 3. In this question, I will tell you the two methods to solve this type of problems. Firstly, I am going to solve by this cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta plus sin theta. Divide the numerator and denominator by cos theta. Right? Equals to 1 minus under root 3, 1 plus under root 3. See, if you divide the whole term by cos theta, then cos theta cancel out and gives you 1. Sin theta upon cos theta, as we have learned the identity of tan theta. Tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. Then theta. Cos theta is again cancel out and plus again tan theta is equals to 1 minus under root 3, 1 plus under root 3, which is the formula 1 minus cross multiply under root 3 tan theta is equals to 1 see 1 minus tan theta multiply 1 plus under root 3 is 1 plus tan theta 1 minus under root 3. Open the bracket. Now open the brackets. 1 plus under root 3 minus tan theta minus under root 3 tan theta equals to 1 minus under root 3 plus tan theta minus under root tan theta. Now 1 cancel out. Minus under root tan theta minus under root tan theta comes out, cancel out. Two under root 3 2 tan theta, 2 to 2 cancel, under root 3 is tan theta, and where we get the value under root 3 is tan theta at tan 60, so theta comes out to be 60 degree. On comparing the two sides, we get theta is equals to 60 degree. At tan theta is equals to 60, we get the value of under root 3. Now solve this problem by second method, by applying compoundendo and dividendo. Write the expression cos theta minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta 1 minus under root 3, 1 plus under root 3. Apply copendo and dividendo cos theta sin theta plus cos theta plus sin theta cos theta minus sin theta minus cos theta plus sin theta. Here also both the sides you have to apply 1 plus 1 minus under root 3, 1 minus under root 3, right? Add 1 plus under root 3 minus 1 plus under root 3. Now we get 2 cos theta minus 2 sin theta is equals to 2 upon minus 2 under root 3. 2 cancel, 2 cancel. Cos theta upon sin theta is cot theta. 2 upon minus under root 3. 1 upon under root 3. Minus cancel. Cot theta is equals to 1 upon 3. You can also take root 3 from this side. And 1 upon cot theta is tan theta, where root 3 comes in at tan 60 tan theta. Theta is equals to 60 degree. This is the value of theta. I hope you all understand this concept, and may this will help you in solving these types of problems. So thank you very much.